Hola amigos, bien o no, y saludos desde Medellín. Mucho lluvia hoy, sí o no. Entonces, el tema de hoy, el pro y el contra, o pros and cons, y cómo pensando en esta forma de opuestos puede ayudarnos en nuestra fluidez en la nueva lengua. So, hello again. Raining quite a lot here in Medellin today. In fact, it's still raining now. But rather than talk about the weather, let's look at this in terms of a pro and a con, or a good point or a bad point, a check or a balance. Look at it in opposites. So, on one hand, we've got an awful lot of rain, which is going to cause a lot of problems for lots of people because we've got flooding and all kinds of other problems. But on the other hand, if we don't have enough rain, things like the hydroelectric plant won't work, and then the lights go out. You get the idea. So thinking about things in a opposite way is often quite useful. Not just when we think about different effects. What are our options? Well, we could do this, but on the other hand, this would cause this effect. So this might be positive. There's the negative that goes with it. This is a useful way to look at problem solving, certainly. But as well as that, if you want to improve your vocabulary, looking at opposites in terms of opposite words, this can also be really helpful because we look for pairs of words that we commonly use together. So this is another way that looking at opposites can be very helpful to help us with our fluency. So two ways to approach it. You can look at it just as a vocabulary list, words that are opposites from each other, day and night, this kind of thing. But also look at it in terms of effects. So if this happens, why is this a good thing? Why is it a bad thing? Is there a negative aspect to this? What's the positive? Think about it like that, because that might help you generate more ideas about a particular topic. It's also a way to get you talking about it. So, like we said today, with the weather, there are good things about it. There are some bad points as well. Think about it like that. Pros and cons helps get the mental gears working a bit. Should help us improve our fluency of speaking about different topics. And with that said, I'll say cheerio for now.